Duct cleaning is the removal of any dust or debris from your ductwork, and its main benefit is improving your air quality overall. Over time, stuff like dog fur, cat hair, dust, debris, construction materials accumulate inside of your ductwork, being pulled in through the return vents typically. So every time you breathe in and out, you're breathing in all those dust particles. So if you look out at a window when the sun is shining in, you'll see all the dust floating around. All of that is being filtered through your lungs first before it's being filtered through your air filter. For any people that have asthma or allergies, this helps cut down on any of the dust and materials that could be causing those issues, helping lower the amount of risk for you. We carry a machine in, roughly the size of a shopping cart, has a 50-foot long hose attached to it with a rotating brush head at the end of it. Once we're inside your home, we come in, remove every single vent throughout the entire house, both the supplies and the returns. We're going to start upstairs, the top floor, run one vent at a time. We push the brush head in, it spins around, knocks everything loose. The entire machine is a large vacuum, so it sucks everything up through there. Anything that's too large for the vacuum gets pushed down to the next level, which we'll be able to remove from there in the basement. Average duct cleaning time is roughly about 4 to 5 hours. So a lot of the time, if there's any tile work in the home, I'm going to be finding tile in the ductwork. Other than that, a lot amount of dust, construction materials especially. Decent amount of the time we find mice inside of the ductwork, which is not too fun, but having that removed means you no longer have to worry about that. Any home that has not had duct cleaning done prior to it could benefit from it, but especially if it's a house 10 years or older, if there's been prior occupants that had animals, anything that could be causing allergens. I typically recommend having your ductwork cleaned once every 10 years, unless you have a major remodel. Anytime there's drywall work, all that dust is being kicked up and it goes straight through your returns into all your ductwork and just coats them again. It may not be something you always think about, but duct cleaning could improve the air quality and comfort of your home.